In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page load animation with Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to show a quick intro, like a logo reveal or a simple overlay, that smoothly gives way to your page content as soon as the site loads. First, head over to Webflow and open your project in the designer. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want the animation to run. Page load animations are page specific, so it's helpful to confirm you're working on the right canvas before you begin. Next, click on the element you want to use as your intro. This could be a logo, a headline, a background overlay, or any element that should appear first and then transition out. You can select it directly on the canvas or use the navigator if it's easier to find. If you already have a class name for that element, great. Keeping things organized will make customization easier in a moment. With your element selected, open the Interactions panel. It's the lightning bolt icon on the right side of the designer. This is where you control how things move, fade, and respond to user or page events. You'll see two key sections here: element triggers, which affect only the selected element based on user actions, and page triggers, which affect the entire page based on lifecycle events. For what we're doing, we'll use a page trigger. Now, add a page trigger. In the Interactions panel, find the page trigger area and click the plus button. This tells Webflow you want to create an interaction that runs when the page loads rather than when the user scrolls or hovers. Choose Page Load, then start an animation and customize it. Create a new timed animation and give it a clear name so you can find it later. A common approach is to set your intro element's initial state so it's fully visible, like opacity at 100%, and then animate it out after the page has loaded. Add a fade to 0% opacity, or move it upward with a transform for a more dynamic exit. Adjust the duration and easing to control the feel. For example, a 0.6 to 1 second ease out often looks smooth. If you see a flash before the animation starts, use set as initial state on your first keyframe to lock in the starting look. You can also choose whether the animation targets just this element, a class, or nested elements by adjusting the affix setting. Preview the interaction using the built-in play controls until the timing feels right. When it looks good, your page load intro is ready to go.